too big on me because they like fit.
Who is that? It's gonna be a new rock and roll little pilot here soon. Do this. Yeah, let's see it. Let's see it. Backwards, pull in right, and hold. Keep going, keep going. Jerk on your left to get that wingtip out. There we go.